Hi, my name is Greg Palia. I'm with West Roofing Systems and welcome to another edition of Whiteboard Roofing. Today we're going to talk about two types of seamless roofing systems for commercial buildings. So what's so bad about seams in the first place? Well, seams on a single ply or metal roof, after a bunch of time, they just wear away. The adhesive that keeps them together wears away and it loses some adhesion. The fasteners get old after time, especially with the roof contracting and coming back. Stuff just moves, stuff gets old, and when you have seams on a roof, even a little bit of uplift, the wind can blow that seam up. It allows water to get into your roof system, which eventually will cause a roof leak over time. So if you can, it'd be beneficial to have a roof that has no seams at all. So I want to quickly introduce two of them today. The first one is a silicone roof system. Silicone is fluid applied. It's either sprayed or rolled onto an existing roof. And it just goes over all the cracks, seams, blisters, penetrations that you have on your roof. It's all single layer. And really it's to restore an existing roof, all seamless, waterproof, and you can get a new 10 or 20-year warranty. So that's one system. And the next system is a spray foam roof, which is also fluid applied, expands to 30 times its size within minutes. It's usually applied 1.5 inches thick, somewhere around there, and goes over an existing roof. It's fully adhered, has the best R value per inch of any commercial roof system out there. It's pretty complicated how it works and gets applied correctly, and how much it costs and all that, because there's so many variables. But just wanted to quickly give you the idea that seams is a common area where water leaking occurs, and there's two roof systems that don't have any seams. So if you want to learn more about each system, please click on the link in the description to go to our blog post that has more detail about both of them. Hope you learned at least one thing new today, and thank you for tuning in. See you next time. Bye-bye.